Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome one more time to DeFi Daily. Today, guys, we bring you a project that I've personally invested in, and in this case, it's an NFT project. Yes, guys, I know I usually cover DeFi projects, but in this case, this is a project that has given me amazing results. So if you like NFTs, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, and make sure you leave your comments and questions because I'm going to take time to reply each and every one of them. The team behind it's amazing, and most importantly, it has a huge community that is supporting the project. In this video, I'm going to show you my own NFTs, the profits that I've made, but I will also teach you how to buy your own zombie NFT. So yes, guys, I said zombies because the project is called Billionaire Zombies Club. And it's a project that I was lucky enough to enter since the minting period. So it was a couple months ago, I was able to mint 2 zombies. And since then, the price has skyrocketed. I actually purchased both zombies for only 25 MATIC. There was a 2-for-1 promotion. And right now, each zombie is trading at 0.075 Ethereum, which is $300. So, well, if you bought one zombie at $50, that means a 6x benefit or 6x profit. But that's not all. I mean, the design is absolutely sick. I really love the design. And it's not only about the cool design. I mean, I'm bringing this project because it has really given me a huge profit. As always, remember, this is not financial advice and you should make your own research before investing because I'm not a financial advisor. So I invested $50, 2 Bitcoin zombies. With these 2 Bitcoin zombies, I already made a good profit. But as I said, it's a project where developers and the team are constantly developing new NFTs. I got this for free, so they airdropped the meta crystals and a key. In total, right now, the value of all of these is $3,206, so I made a 65x. So, based on this experience, to me, the success of an NFT project is the fact that the team is super active. They're constantly developing more and more functionalities for the zombies. They are airdropping more NFTs. You know, they are really paying back to the community and rewarding those that have been holding the tokens for the long term. So it is very interesting what this team is making. The community is super active. Let me show you very quickly how it started. It started with a 10,000 zombie NFT collection that was minted. This was the Genesis drop. To everyone that was owning, right, a zombie and minted a zombie and held it for a while, they dropped these skeleton keys that, look at these guys. Right now, the price for each key, and I got one myself, is 0.6 Ethereum. So this is amazing, guys. I mean, this was given to you for free, just for holding their NFT. And right now we are talking about, you know, more than $2,500. They also airdrop to every zombie owner a BZC meta crystal. So look at these guys. Each meta crystal is right now trading at 0.04 Ethereum. So that's an additional $150, $180 that you got for free. But yeah, I mean, the floor price right now it's 0.04. But let me tell you, 1 week ago, this was almost 0.1 Ethereum. So $450. I actually traded one of them. So, you know, if you guys have been in the project since the beginning, the team and developers behind the project have been doing everything possible to reward holders and reward people that actually trust in the project. So that's super cool. And, you know, I am still holding my zombies and I am thinking positively in the long term of the project. So these are my zombies right now. Both of them were minted as part of the initial 1,000, right? So I was able to enter very early. I have the 420 and 571. And on this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy your own zombie, and I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do it. Starting from Coinbase, transferring your tokens to the MetaMask wallet and purchasing using OpenSea. And what is also super interesting is the roadmap and the fact that, guys, I mean, they're going to launch future NFTs. They launched their own token. Actually, I got airdrop like 400,000 BZC tokens. They're going to be launching their own metaverse and their own game. So it's going to be the BZC Battle Royale game. There's going to be a DAO governance model. So the team is building a very large ecosystem, and that's what I like, and that's why I'm still holding my zombies. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to start with a quick tutorial, just a couple minutes on how you can send your funds from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet. And for those of you who are actually very new to the whole NFT and cryptocurrency ecosystem, I'm going to teach you how to very quickly you can buy assets in Coinbase. Because the Zombie Billionaire Club, it's actually part of the MATIC or the Polygon ecosystem. What I'm going to teach you is how you can acquire this token, because that's going to be the easiest and cheapest way that you can get your funds available to buy your own NFT. So the first thing you will need to do is to actually trade and acquire that MATIC or Polygon token. That's going to be the easiest, guys. You can go here, select the asset. You would click and select MATIC, right? There you go. And then here you would click, for example, the amount you want to buy, $10. And you can actually pay directly by credit card. So if you register your own credit card in Coinbase, you can use it to purchase your MATIC tokens. Another option, if you guys already have Coinbase and you have, for example, Bitcoin, you can exchange from Bitcoin to Polygon. And you can do, for example, $10 as well, right? And you could send it. Now, the second step is once you have Polygon tokens in your wallet, like I have over here, you will be able to see it here. You would click on the token and then you're going to go to the wallet option. And here from the wallet is where you can actually send your tokens to your MetaMask wallet. And now, guys, the next step is going to be to send your funds to your MetaMask wallet, and we want to send them to the Polygon network like we mentioned, right? So if you have your MetaMask wallet already installed in the Ethereum blockchain, for example, then it's going to be super easy because you only need to configure it into the Polygon network. And how are you going to do it? I'm going to give you a very cool tip. You will actually open the Polycat page, right, their web page, and automatically these guys will configure the Polygon network on your MetaMask wallet. It's going to take us 1 second. There you go. As you can see, we got this message that it just prompts as soon as we open the Polycat website, and then what it says is, do you allow this site to add a network? You just check that it's the Polygon mainnet, that it's this RPC and the 137 chain ID. You approve the transaction, and then you click on switch network. And with that, guys, you are already there. As you can see, I'm already here on the Polygon network with my own wallet, and I have even some MATIC and some USDT tokens over here. And once your MetaMask wallet is configured to the Polygon network, we are ready to send these funds from Coinbase to MetaMask in the Polygon network. We're going to send our MATIC tokens, and you can do it from here. What I recommend, guys, is in this example, I use 8.92 euros, right? But in your case, you should buy enough MATIC to pay the current price of a Zombie NFT, which is about 0.08 or 0.09 Ethereum, which is actually right now about, let's multiply by the price of Ethereum, well, $387. So make sure that you send enough funds. So I already have that money in my Polygon wallet, so I'm not going to send the 350. I'm only going to send this just as a test so that you guys see that the funds are actually sent. But you should send all the money to buy your NFT. So what you will do is you will copy your account, right, your wallet. You will paste it here and you will confirm the transaction. And there is a small fee that we're going to have to pay. Once you confirm the transaction, you're going to be able to see this. And right now the network fee is quite high, right? So it's 3.02 MATIC and my MATIC balance is 3.98. So I'm only going to be receiving like 0.96 MATIC. But anyway, I mean, just showing it to you guys. You would have just to confirm the transaction entering your two-step verification code. So I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to confirm, and then I'll show you how the funds are moved into my MetaMask wallet. And there you go. Once the transaction is confirmed, you're going to be able to see here, I got those 0.92, 0.93 MATIC in my Polygon mainnet MetaMask wallet. So, you already got your funds ready to purchase your NFT. Like I mentioned, you will see that it says that I have already some Ethereum in my Polygon wallet, but in your case, you would actually receive MATIC, right? Those 0.93 in my case, but in your case, probably it's going to be about what, 200, 250 MATIC, which you're going to use to buy the NFT. And what you need to do is you need to convert this MATIC into Ethereum so that you can actually purchase the token. And in order to do this, you're going to use QuickSwap. And don't worry, because I'm going to leave the link of QuickSwap also in the description of the video. What you will need to do is to connect your MetaMask wallet as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to transfer from, or you're going to exchange from MATIC to Ethereum. So it's going to be super easy. I mean, I'm going to make the example with the 0.93 that I actually sent, just to follow the process. But in your case, you're going to have to convert enough MATIC to buy the zombie. And how do you check the current price of the token? Well, you need to open OpenSea. And here, you're going to have to connect your wallet. So in my case, let me log out so that you can see the whole process. There you go. You will have to click here, MetaMask. And then it's going to connect directly to your MetaMask wallet. You need to have your MetaMask wallet on the Polygon ecosystem. Once you're here on OpenSea, the easiest way to make sure that you're actually finding the right collection is to use Discord. I'm going to leave the link to the Billionaire Zombie Club Discord, official Discord, on the description of the video. And here in official links, you click here on OpenSea. And this is to make sure that you are actually loading the right collection and you're buying the right NFT. And right now we can see here the floor price is 0.069 Ethereum. So that's the amount that you need to exchange from MATIC to Ethereum on QuickSwap. And once you got that quantity here, you just click swap, confirm swap, and then just confirm the transaction. There you go. And there you go. You can see that my MATIC balance went down and I got some more Ethereum. And now the fun part, guys. How can you buy your zombie? How you can acquire your NFT? Well, again, OpenSea, the same page where we actually check the floor price. Here's where you have all the zombies listed. So you can actually use this very cool filter. And in this case, we want to put low to high, because in this case, we're going to be buying one of the zombies that it's on the floor price. So we got this fella over here that looks very cool. We have some other options. And let me tell you how I will decide which one to buy. Well, once again, the Billionaire Zombie Club team developed this very cool rarity tool checker. So here we can put the number of the zombie, 9131, and we can check the rarity. And this one is the 3,767 out of 10,000. So not that bad. Let's check this one, 8444, 8444. There you go. 6,000. It seems like this could be the best option for now. So we're gonna buy that one. You select it. We got that it's owned by ABC2A9. Cool name. And it's very easy, guys. You can actually make an offer. You could set an offer and it has an expiration time and you could try to negotiate. But in this case, I trust in these guys. Right now the price is this, but I'm pretty sure, or I hope that the price will increase in some days. Again, this is not financial advice, so you got to make your own research before buying, acquiring, or doing anything with this. So yeah, we're gonna purchase this guy. I like his, bazooka over here or whatever it is. So we're gonna buy now. There we go. 9131 is gonna be ours. We're gonna pay $290, 0.069 Ethereum. You confirm the checkout. You're gonna have to sign the message. You need to sign it, of course, using MetaMask. You sign. There we go. And we got it, guys. Your purchase has been processed. Woot. You purchased 9131. It has been confirmed on the blockchain. We got it, guys. Once you buy it, you're going to be able to see it in your profile. Let's check it out. And voila, there we go, guys. We got another zombie to our collection. So this is sweet. There we go. We got now 3 zombies. I'm going to hold them. So like I said, guys, what I like about this project is the fact that they have a very, very, very active community. These guys, they have a very active Discord. I'm going to leave the link. Like I said, you can see here their in-out mean price was 25 MATIC. They have all these official links that you should check them out. You can see here in the general chat that everyone is all the time talking and, sharing their point of view. There are constant giveaways. So, the guys are doing a lot to reward the community. You can see here all these really cool tools where you can see for example, floor price of the keys. Right now the key is at 0.6, so that's just crazy. You can see the floor price of the zombies, so 0.069. That's the one we purchased. So it's really cool, guys. Just go check it out because it's a very interesting community. A lot of people, 22,000 members. So this is just amazing. They have a Twitter profile with more than 10,000 followers, also super active. Right now, there is the process in which you can actually reveal your meta crystals. So they are building a lot of cool stuff, guys. Check it out. It's really cool. And said that, guys, once again, thank you very, very much for watching the video until the end. I hope you like this type of video, NFTs, a little bit different to the traditional DeFi content, but if you enjoyed it, make sure that you hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, and you follow the channel. You leave your comments. I'll take time to answer any question that you have. Thank you very much again for watching until the end, and I'll see you on the next video of DeFi Daily. Bye-bye.